Since reports, the last one before tax day 2026. Tax day is next Wednesday. You're going to need to file your taxes by April 15th or at least request an extension.
Why are you looking at me, Tyra?
Because you were laughing. Are you going to need an extension?
No, I'm not. I'm going to get them done this weekend, thank you.
Okay, procrastinator.
I do it every year. Consumer man Herb Weisbaum has some important tips for everybody racing to the finish line like myself, plus some advice for those who've already finished. Herb is a contributing editor at checkbook.org. So before we dive into the tips this morning, Herb, you predicted back in February the average refund would be bigger this year. Is it?
Yes, it actually is. The average refund, according to the IRS, is about $3,500.
Wow.
That is 10% higher than last year. See, I have a graphics department as well. So, Steve, obviously you're not getting a refund, or you're really silly for not filing earlier. But yes, it's keep in mind that may not be the same case next year, because employers have adjusted their withholding to meet the new tax law, which was not passed until the summer of last year. So don't expect the same big return or a bigger return next year. This may be it, or maybe a little lower next year.
So what's the one thing people might miss as they rush to prepare their return?
Well, Steve might miss, credits. People might miss credits, and credits are really good because they're different and better than deductions, because they reduce your final tax bill dollar for dollar, where a deduction only reduces the amount that's subject to taxation. So here are two big ones that people want to be sure they check. First of all, the income tax credit. That's the earned income tax credit. It is for low to moderate income working families and individuals, particularly those with children. It's a $629 for those with no qualifying children, and up to $8,046 for those with 3 or more qualifying children. And the other one is a child tax credit. Families with children, qualifying children, may be able to claim this credit even if they don't normally file a tax return. The maximum credit increased this year to $2,200 per qualifying child dependent. So you can see you can really get a lot back from the government if you qualify for those credits.
And Herb, there's a simple mistake that hundreds of thousands of taxpayers have made that's actually going to slow down their refund. What are they doing wrong?
As we discussed when we talked about this in February, the federal government is getting out of cutting paper checks. The tax return asks you what way you want your money back if you're getting a refund electronically. A lot of people, like the last estimate, close to 1 million people, did not do that, and they are getting a letter from the IRS saying, you didn't give us an electronic way to pay you. You need to contact us and tell us how to give you that money. If you don't respond, ignore the letter. The IRS is going to put everything aside for 6 weeks and then wait to do this. So this is really going to slow down the process if you have to wait for the IRS to get on and contact you. If you know you filed your return already and you didn't do that, go to your IRS portal, irs.gov. If you have a personal account, go on there. If not, open it and tell them, here's how you can put it into my bank account. It'll really speed things up.
What if you can't get all the paperwork done on time?
If you can't get it done on time, you have to file for an automatic extension. You'll get an automatic 6-month extension to give you more time to do it. Pay what you owe, or as much as you can. And the IRS does offer payment plans if you can't pay everything, but you want to pay as much as you can, because there are the interest accrues starting day one if after you miss the deadline. So you want to knock that down. So pay as much as you can, and then the rest you can work on a payment plan with the IRS.
Listen, Herb, you keep picking on me, but I always get it done on time.
That's what I hear. That's what I hear.
I get it done. I wait till the last minute. All right, scammers love tax season 2. How do we avoid those guys?
Yeah, they're actually using AI and making calls. One I heard yesterday on the news, they're actually calling and telling people that they were from the tax abatement department, making it sound like you don't have to pay any taxes. There are all kinds of reasons why they're going to text, email, or call you, or contact you by social media. All you have to know is the IRS does not reach out to you that way. The IRS, if they need to contact you for something, sends you a letter via good old U.S. snail mail the first time. Anything else is a scam. Don't engage with these folks. They're trying to steal your personal information and your money.
Are there places to go to get free help, Herb?
Yeah, there are. So you can do a lot of things. Some software packages offer to do your returns for free, but some people just need help. And especially several groups of people can get free help from nonprofit organizations. First of all, for low-income individuals, there's the Volunteer Income Tax Assistant Program, the VITA program. For older taxpayers, there's the Tax Counseling for Elderly program, and the AARP Foundation Tax Aid program also helps. And then for military service members and recent vets, we have a lot of those in the Puget Sound area, it's the Mill Tax Service, a free resource backed by the Department of Defense.
All right, where can all of us get more information?
You can find a big article right on the homepage of checkbook.org that lists all the free resources, the links to all these organizations that I just told you about, so you can find a location in your area.
Thanks so much, Herb. And I've already filed for your
Excuse me. Herb, are you done?
My accountant has filed a automatic extension, but we will pay the money that is due on time. Yes, sir.
All right. He's got a plan. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.